like this because I think it's uncomfortable. So hello, welcome to my vlog. This is my new vlogging chair. What do you think? I rather like it. It's incredibly comfortable, I have to say. When you've been teaching all day, teaching Pilates all day, you can get a bit achy from doing a lot of exercise, so it actually feels quite nice just to be hanging around like this. Anyway, so today's vlog is about Pilates Technique. Now, the reason it's about Pilates Technique is because I was very lucky, and I'm very thankful to you for helping me get to 1,000 subscribers recently. And when you get to 1,000 subscribers, you're able to talk to the community. So I put a little vote out, a little poll for you, asking what you would like to see next, and it was kind of 50-50 actually. 50-50 between mat Pilates, standing Pilates, and a vlog. That's not 50-50, is it? No. So that is, I think it was 25% of people wanted, oh, I don't know. It was something like that. I'm going to have to start again. Right, I did a little poll lately. I did a little poll recently, and the poll was for you to let me know what you wanted to see next. And the choices we gave you were mat Pilates, traditional mat Pilates, standing Pilates, which does seem quite popular, and a vlog on Pilates Technique. So we got quite a lot of votes for all three actually. So I am going to do you the vlog on Pilates Technique today. Now, where to start? So one of the things I guess to think about with Pilates, as opposed to potentially other forms of exercise, is it is very focused on technique. So we really believe in quality over quantity. It's always better to do an exercise really well, correctly, 6 to 8 times than do 100 incorrectly, because that really won't get you anywhere. And actually, it does really show in your body composition and your muscle composition if you do it correctly. Because a lot of Pilates is about rebalancing the body. So it isn't just that, oh, I want to get my legs stronger, I want to get my arms stronger. It's about making sure that you're working all the muscles in your leg evenly, all the muscles of the shoulder evenly, because it's often from working unevenly or overworking a certain muscle that you will get an injury in that muscle or particular strain in the joints. So that's one of the things to think about Pilates. The technique is very, very important, and you do need to be patient with it. You know, if you come to a Pilates class and think you're going to get it right first time, you're going to be disappointed, and actually that's not really what we're about. We're all about you getting into it, enjoying it, learning the process, and realising that it is an ongoing process. You know, it's something, I mean, I'm still learning. I've been doing Pilates for 20 years. I'm still learning, but I don't see that as a problem. To me, that's great. I like to learn. I want to get better. I want to get more effective in my movement, and I want to learn how to move as I'm aging as well, because, you know, the movement that I might have been doing 20 years ago might not be quite the right sort of movement to be doing now. So it's kind of learning all those things. It's very bespoke in many ways, because once you learn your technique, you can then refine it to work really well for you and your particular body. So that's all I wanted to say, I think, for now on technique. We will talk about it again, but it's just to put a few thoughts in your mind about technique and what to think about when you go to a class, and just go with an open mind. Be prepared to learn, be prepared to listen, and to try it and see how it feels. Okay, so that's our vlog for today. I hope you like the chair, and I hope you like the vlog, and I really look forward to seeing you again soon. Take care. Bye bye.